With luck, we won't meet any big people. But if we do, please keep calm. No panicking.
Wise old elf? Is that one of the big people?
Eh? Ah, big people! Ah!
These are the chickens.
Yes, we know. And we know what chickens give us. Don't we, children?
Come.
Yes, Jake. Of course, chickens are quite stupid creatures because they are so stupid. Chickens are quite stupid creatures because they are so big.
But I'm big and I'm not stupid.
It was at this moment that he knew. He fucked up.
Who can tell me what sheep give us?
Comes.
No, no. Sheep give us wool.
What did the sheep say?
The sheep said,
But what does mean?
means,
Now, children, what does the cow give us?
A big lick.
Yes. And what else?
Comes.
Well done.
But she hasn't brought any with
Come.
her.
Could you make me something pretty?
Okay. Abracadabbity-bobbity-boo. Can we have a party?
and what every party needs is magic jelly!
Nanny, I don't think that's such
Magic jelly! Lots and lots!
I'm taking away your wand.
You can't do that!
I just did.
It's an outrage! The king will be very angry.
I can't see my tadpoles anymore.
Tadpoles?
They must be invisible. Nanny, did you do a spell on them?
No, Holly.
So where are they?
I think the king has found them.
Good morning, Ben.
Are you coming out to play, Holly?
I'm a bit busy, Ben. I'm playing with my frogs.
Frogs?
This one's very good at running and jumping. I've called him Ben.
What a fuss over such a little creature. So, what's the bad news?
They're coming to see us instead.
Oh, no!
And they're expecting a concert of elf music.
What?
And I've, told them that elf music sounds good. That's odd. Where's the door gone?
It was there earlier.
No problem. I'll magic it back.